We'll guide you through how to install ZSH and VSCode. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your Visual Studio Code on your desktop. Next, head over to the Extensions view by clicking on the Extensions icon on the activity bar on the side of the window. In the search bar, type Terminal here and install the extension for better terminal management. Now, press Ctrl plus Shift plus P to open the command palette. Type Terminal, select Default Profile, and hit Enter. You will see a list of available shells. Select ZSH from the list by clicking on it. If ZSH is not installed on your system, you need to install it first. On a Mac, you can open Terminal and type brew install ZSH if you have Homebrew installed. For Windows, you can use Windows Subsystem for Linux, WSL, to get ZSH. Install WSL and then run sudo apt install ZSH in the WSL terminal. Once ZSH is installed, you can go back to VS Code and set it as your default shell. Now, go to your terminal in VS Code by pressing Ctrl plus backtick. You should see that ZSH is now running as your default shell. If you want to customize your ZSH prompt, you can install omyzsh by opening terminal and running the command sh curl. This framework makes it easy to manage your ZSH configuration. After installation, restart VS Code and enjoy a more powerful and customizable terminal experience. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.